How to make homemade Arabian Ful Medam with turmeric milk, golden milk, Iftar and Ramadan special. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, where we explore delicious recipes perfect for Ramadan and Iftar. Today, we're going to show you how to make a wholesome Arabian dish, Ful Medam, paired with the soothing goodness of turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. These recipes are not only nutritious but also affordable and perfect for beginners. So, let's dive right in. Here are the ingredients you'll need for Ful Medam. 1. 2 cups dried fava beans, Ful Medam. 2. Water for soaking. 3. 4 cloves garlic, minced. 4. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 5. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 6. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 7. Salt to taste. 8. Juice of 1 lemon. 9. Chopped fresh parsley for garnish. 10. Optional, chopped tomatoes, onions, and chili peppers for serving. Now, let's move on to the ingredients for turmeric milk. 1. 2 cups milk, dairy or non-dairy. 2. 1 teaspoon ground turmeric. 3. Half teaspoon ground cinnamon. 4. 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger. 5. 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, optional for sweetness. 6. A pinch of black pepper. Let's start by preparing our Ful Medam. Step 1. Soak the dried fava beans in water overnight or for at least 8 hours. This will soften them and reduce cooking time. Step 2. After soaking, drain and rinse the fava beans. Then, transfer them to a large pot and cover with water. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat and let the beans simmer for about 1 to 1.5 hours, or until they are tender. You may need to add more water during cooking to keep the beans covered. Step 3. In a separate pan, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add minced garlic and sauté until golden and fragrant. Step 4. Once the beans are cooked, add the sautéed garlic, ground cumin, ground coriander, and salt to taste. Stir well to combine and let the flavors meld for a few minutes. Step 5. Remove the Ful Medam from heat and stir in the lemon juice. Serve hot, garnished with chopped parsley and any optional toppings like tomatoes, onions, and chili peppers. Now, let's make our soothing turmeric milk. Step 1. In a small saucepan, heat the milk over medium heat until it's warm but not boiling. Step 2. Add ground turmeric, ground cinnamon, ground ginger, and a pinch of black pepper to the warm milk. Step 3. Whisk the ingredients together until well combined. Step 4. If you prefer your turmeric milk sweetened, you can add honey or maple syrup to taste. Once everything is ready, serve your Ful Medam alongside a warm cup of turmeric milk. This combination makes for a hearty and nourishing iftar meal during Ramadan. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Thank you for joining us today as we made homemade Arabian Ful Medam with turmeric milk, perfect for Iftar and Ramadan. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try at home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious recipes. Ramadan Mubarak. Ma'az salama. Thank you very much Arabian Ful Medam with turmeric milk lovers.